Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the machine and removing barriers. Power on and interrupt normal boot to enter BIOS/UEFI using the correct key, often F2, Del, or ESC, because manufacturers differ. Once in, navigate quickly to Security or Boot tabs. Make sure Secure Boot is visible. If prompted, authenticate with the admin password you set earlier. You do this now so later steps appear. Ensure a recovery. USB is ready in case you need to restore firmware settings. You now locate the Secure Boot option and change it deliberately. Move to the Secure Boot entry and toggle to Disabled or select an alternate OS profile. This removes vendor key enforcement. If your firmware requires switching from UEFI only to CSM or legacy mode, change boot mode. Be aware this can alter drive visibility. Once changed, use the Save or F10 command and confirm. You do this to allow unsigned or custom bootloaders. Make sure boot order still points to your intended drive. You finish by rebooting and verifying the operating system loads correctly. If the system fails to boot, re-enter BIOS and check boot mode, SATA mode, and boot order. Switch back to UEFI or re-enable Secure Boot briefly to diagnose. Once stable, consider whether to keep Secure Boot disabled. Re-enable it if you do not need unsigned drivers. If things go wrong, use your recovery USB or reset BIOS to defaults. You should document changes so you can reverse them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.